Hello and welcome back to Fabulous Ideas, and in this video, a great video, I'm going to be showing you all of my accessories that I got for my new iPhone, and all of the protection that I will be providing through all of the items that I've got. And yes, I cannot wait to show you the kind of things that I have. And also, if you are looking for some storage space for your iPhone, I have a great item in this video. Keep watching. Definitely put links down below for everything that you see in this video. Okay, so I've got this package, and it's for my new iPhone 11 Pro Max, and I just want to show you my accessories that I've got. So I've got this PopSocket with this lovely looks like a cherry blossom tree with a butterfly, and I really like that. So I can always put the links down as well below where I got that from. So that's really going to look really cute. And you know, it's always important to protect your phone. So I have got this tempered glass protector. You get 3 in here, so definitely you'll be using that to protect the phone. And my case is this lovely kind of like floral design. Let me just take this off so we can see it a little bit better. Floral design, and because my phone is the silver, I think the background is going to go really well with the silver, and obviously the 3D PopSocket, which is floral as well. So yeah, so I'll put those on and I'll show you what they look like later on. So those are my 3 things, and also you can watch me in a moment put my protector on as well. So we'll do that. Okay, so here is the phone, and obviously that is the PopSocket. That is the lovely case. I'm really happy with it. I am getting another one in like a marble colour, and this is the glass protector. So I'm just going to be opening this up now. Always make sure before you order that it is for the phone that you want, the phone model. I've ensured that this is for an iPhone 11 Pro Max. So I think it can also fit on the iPhone 11. I'm not sure, but okay, so I only need 1. I'm just making sure that I got the 3 because it says okay, so 1, 2, 3. So I've got 1, 2 and 3, and a little cleaner. And then this kind of stuff I've had before, and it just helps you for putting it on the sides. So you stick it on here, and then it just helps so that positioning. Okay, so we'll leave that one there, and we're going to get a wet wipe. I'm just going to clean it. You can see my phone doesn't look that great, although it's brand new. It's very, very dirty. So let's give it a nice wipe down. What's on the camera? Let's look at that. And I love this because all you need to do is that, and then we're back again. Okay, so that's the wet one, and now we're going to go over it with the dry. So really you want your phone to be immaculate, dust free before applying the screen protector on top. So I'm just going to give it a clean now. Okay, so you can see now how clean that is. And then we are now going to be using, I actually don't use these, but I'm just going to go with my screen protector now. So just pull that out. There you go, as easy as that. And there I have my screen protector, and you can't really see it. It's perfectly on, and if it's dark, look, there you go. So that's the screen protector on. And now I want to put my case. Okay, so it's like this, and it's actually quite hard as well on the back, and it's got where everything needs to be. So I'm just going to place the phone inside. Lovely. There we go. And then let's have a look at the back. And as I said, because it's the silver, it actually looks really nice. So as you can see, this is the cover that I've chosen. I really love the floral. I think it just looks light and bright. Okay, so if I just check, there you go, there's my volume button, which I can operate from here. There's my off. Lovely. And then I think the PopSocket, which again is in the nice floral. There we go. Before I always do things, I always check how I want it to look. Do I want that? Something like that, I think. So just peel this off. Firmly place it. And then just pull that up, and then there you have it, and I'm ready to go. And I love the PopSocket because it just looks very pretty, and I love the floral design. So I can definitely put links down below. Everything in this video accessorized for the phone is from Amazon, so definitely provide you with the links for that. Okay, so another accessory that I have bought for my iPhone 11 Pro Max is this iDiskk. So what this does, and it is for your iPhone, an iPad or an iPod. I got 128GB because, as if you haven't looked at my previous video, and that was all about the box opening of my new iPhone 11 Pro Max. I only got the 64GB that came with the phone, so I decided to purchase a further 128GB from Amazon. And I love this idea that, you know, a very small, simple thing, easy to carry. You can, you know, basically even put it in your handbag if it is needed. And I have, because I transferred, and I did show you in that video, all my information from my iPhone 8 Plus onto my iPhone 11, and as you can see, it's all got the things on it now and the screen protector on here. The battery life is full because my other phone, I actually used the full capacity on that. So let's get this open. Okay, so there it is in there, as you can see. Okay, so let's get this out. I love this. It's like this little foam things, it protects it perfectly. Okay, so it looks like that, and you suppose you can have it either way, like this, and you can see it's got the iPhone little thing, and also you can get that on your laptop, all the information off it, because it's got the USB. So I love this, you know, free flexibility. So I'm going to put it into my iPhone. Let's see what this does. Let's get this in. Okay, great. Okay, so app's not installed, so I'll need to go to the app store and install it. And I actually do hope that I have enough storage space, because Okay, let's just see. It's got the little icon there, and I'm just hoping this works. So it's now downloading the iDiskk app, so I'm just going to open it here. And yeah, it says I don't want to have notifications, so I'm just going to put don't allow. Okay, so what I need to do is transfer all the information on this phone onto the iDiskk. So we'll do that now. I go to my photos and allow it to access my photo. And I need to go to iPhone. And there are a load of photos on here. And then I'm going to press the iDiskk so it can transfer it over. So I've just selected all of my photos and I'm going to copy it to the external storage. So I'll press that one, and obviously you know that that's the external storage here. And then I just go paste. There we go, and as you can see, look how quick all of those photos are going through. So they're all now being transferred. As you can see there, they're all getting transferred over. So look how many photos. I used up all of my 64 gig on the phone, so everything's going to get transferred. And then this is just the photos, and then there's another icon for videos, and I'll do that after this, so that will free up all the space on this new iPhone 11 Pro Max. So this I definitely would recommend if you have an iPhone. It doesn't matter which iPhone, because it's always great to keep storage, and and it's all easy to put that into my laptop. So I do hope that you enjoyed that video. I'm very happy with my phone case and it's the wrong way around. I'm very happy with my phone case and PopSocket. So I do hope that you enjoyed that video. If you are new here, then a very big welcome. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button, hit on that notification button. I don't want you to miss any more fabulous ideas. Also, please don't forget to give this a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you all again for some more fabulous ideas. Stay safe and take care.